Alright, now that we got our road done, let's work on adding some buildings. Pick one side. I'm going to work on this side. And then the other side that is going to be sort of your creative area. You could add more buildings if you want, or you could make it look like a beach or a desert or a soccer field or basketball field or whatever you would like it to be over there. But on this side, you're going to be required to show me at least 3 buildings, and that you know how to do 1-point perspective with buildings. So to begin, I'm going to put a little dot on the sidewalk here, and that's to help me get this building right up to the sidewalk. Okay? And we have 2 sides to a building. I'll put my pencil down first. I check for that rectangle. Looks good. And this one is going to be a taller one right close to us. We have 2 sides to the building. The side that faces the sidewalk, and then the side that faces us. So I'm going to work on the side that faces us. And the side that faces the viewer, or us, always is a rectangle or square. Okay? So this is the bottom of the building. This is the top. So this part of the building is facing us. Now I'm going to make the part of the building that is facing the sidewalk. So I go from the corners to the vanishing point. You can see this one's already done because we put it right on the sidewalk, so that makes it easier. So I'm going to connect this dot to the vanishing point. Okay. And it looks like it goes on forever, which we don't want. So we're going to stop it maybe about right there. Again, don't look at all your lines. It's easy to get confused that way. Just look for the parallel line. This rectangle of paper. That looks good. Okay, and now once you erase some of this, some of these lines that you don't need, it really starts to look like a building. Now you're always going to end up erasing some lines that you need. So I erase those. I just go back and draw those quickly again. So that's my first building. I'm not going to put any windows or doors on yet. I'm just going to go ahead and draw the next building. Now, you have to decide if you want there to be a space between these 2 buildings or not. If you want them to touch, you just need to line up this line. I just line it up, and I'm going to make this taller. Okay? And actually going to make it a little taller than that. So this building behind is actually taller than this one in front. Again, I'm going to make the front that faces us. I'm checking for a rectangle again. And maybe it's only that wide. Maybe it stops right there. I check for a rectangle. And that's the front that faces us. You can only see a little bit of it. Now, I connect the corners to the vanishing point again. I'm going to put in the back. Remember, just check those rectangles. Erase the lines that don't belong anymore. And there's my second building. Okay. Now I'll do one more. You need 3. This one's going to be shorter, but I'm going to leave a space here. So maybe there's an alleyway for cars or something. Check in that rectangle. It looks about right. Okay, and it's shorter, but I have to put in this part this time so I can see this rectangle. Lots of times people will forget that one. this is the side that faces us. Okay, now to the vanishing point. I'm going to put in the back. Check your rectangle. Okay, and then erase these lines that you no longer need. And there is 3 buildings.